Number 1 says Noelle bought 2 1/2-gallon cartons of lemonade for her lemonade stand. How many ounces of lemonade did she buy? So we have 1/2 gallon plus 1/2 gallon. We know that equals 1 full gallon. So if you look here, 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So let's divide it into 4 quarts. Then we know that 1 quart equals 2 pints. So each quart has to be divided into 2 pints, which means there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pints. So then we can take each pint and we can divide it into 2 cups. So those 2 cups, 2 cups, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So we have 4, 4, 4, 4 equals 16 cups. We know each cup equals 8 ounces. So we would have to do 16 times 8 to figure out how many ounces there are. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 4 is 128. So your answer is 128 ounces. Number 2 says the student council has $289 to spend on decorations. If the decorations for each table cost $13, how many tables can we decorate? So we have $13 for each table, which means we would have to divide 289 by 13. So if we look, first we have to see how many times 13 can go into 28. So 13 plus 13 is 26, so it can probably go in 2 times. 2 times 13 is 26. Then we subtract 2, bring down the 9. Again, 13 plus 13 is 26. We added another 13, it'd be 39, so it's too much. So 29. So it would be 26. 2 times 13 again is 26. We have nothing more to bring down, therefore our remainder is 3. So our quotient is 22, our remainder is 3. So therefore we can decorate 22 tables. Number 3 says the 5th grade teachers ordered 3 boxes of clay and they wanted to share it equally among their 4 classes. How much clay does each class get? So they have 3 boxes of clay and they want to divide it among 4 classes. So your number model would be 3 divided by 4. How many boxes of clay? Again, we know that divided sign we can also turn into a fraction. So they would each get 3/4 boxes of clay. Number 4 says, move the digits in 625,134 to create a new number. The first one says move the 2, so it is worth 1/10 as much. So we know if we go 1/10, we move it 1 spot to the right. So therefore the 2 is going to go now in the 10,000 spot. The second says move the 3, so it is worth 10 times as much. So 10 times as much would be moved to the right. So our 3 will now be in the 100 spot. Move the 5, so it is worth 50,000. So we're going to put our 5 in the 10,000s place. Move the 4, so its value changes to 4 times 100,000. Therefore, the 4 goes in the 100,000s place. And it says move the 1 in the 6, so the sum of their values is 16. So 16 would go right there. So your new number is 452,316. Number 5 says draw a picture to show how you solve problem 3. So again, problem 3 says you have 3 boxes of clay. So we want to first draw 1 box, 2 box, 3 box. And then it says you want to divide them between 4 classrooms. So we need to divide each one into 4. So for this one, class 1, 2, 3, and 4 all gets 1/4. Class, the next box, 1, 2, 3, 4, they all get another 4th. And the last box, 1, 2, 3, 4, they all get another fourth. So if I were class 1, I would get 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, which would equal 3/4.